Welcome to a new video. Now we are going to study refraction of light. What happens when a light travels from one transparent medium to another? So there are two mediums, that is medium 1 here and medium 2 here. So a light travels from medium 1 to medium 2. It appears that when traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light changes in the second medium. That is, it should actually travel in this direction, but this direction of propagation of light changes when it travels from one transparent medium to the other. This phenomenon is called refraction of light. This ray can be marked as incident ray, and this ray can be marked as refracted ray. We can also draw the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence, and we can mark it as n dash. And this angle is the angle of incidence, we can call it is I, and this angle is the angle of refraction, it is called as R. So this phenomenon, that is when light traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light changes in the second medium, and this is called refraction of light. We can see many examples for refraction of light in our surroundings. One such common example is, you can see a pencil partly immersed in water in a glass tumbler appears to be displaced at the interface of air and water. This is due to the light reaching us from the portion of the pencil inside water seems to come from a different direction. It can be easily understood by an activity, that is the refraction through a rectangular glass slab. So now we are going to study refraction through a rectangular glass slab. This is an activity, you can do it with a rectangular glass slab. For that, first fix a sheet of white paper on a drawing board using drawing pins. Place a rectangular glass slab over the sheet in the middle. Draw the outlines of the slab with a pencil. Mark the points as A, B, C, D. Now take 4 identical pins we need to use in this activity. Draw a line inclined to the surface AB, so that this makes an angle I with the normal to the point. So this angle is I. Fix 2 pins we say they are E and F. So this is E and this is F. Vertically on this inclined line to the edge AB. Now look for the images of the pin E and F through the opposite edge. So here the opposite edge is DC. So look the images of the pins E and F from the edge DC. Now fix the other two pins G and H such that these pins and the images of E and F lie on a straight line. Now remove the pins and the slab. Now join the positions of the tips of G and H and produce it up to the edge CD. Let us mark the meeting points of this line at AB as O and the meeting point of this line at CD as O dash. Now join O dash. We can extend this normal here. Also we can draw a normal at the point O dash. Let us extend this the ray EF. Now let us mark this angle as R. Then we can easily say this will also R. And we can find this angle is I. Let us complete the figure by marking it. So this is a glass slab. So this medium is air and this medium is glass. Now what are the observations we are getting from this experiment or activity? We first observe that the light ray has changed its direction at the points O and O dash. That is, direction of light ray changes at the surfaces separating two transparent media. We know the air is rarer when compared to glass, or glass is denser compared to air. So we can observe when light travels from air to glass, the ray bends towards the normal. That is, if light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. At O dash, the light travels from glass to air, that is from denser medium to the rarer medium. So what happens? It bends away from the normal. So if light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. The third thing we can observe here is that the emergent ray, that is this ray, is parallel to the direction of incident ray. We know this is incident ray and this is emergent ray. The direction of incident ray is this and the emergent ray is this. That is, here the emergent ray is parallel to the direction of incident ray. So the third point here is that emergent ray is parallel to the direction of incident ray. So these are the main observations we can get from this activity or experiment. This experiment clearly shows that light, when traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes, and thus the refraction occurs. And it is also says that when it travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and if it travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.